G'day guys, my name's Taz, and in today's video we're going to install these as foot pegs on my GS500E. So guys, these are for a GSXR 600, 750 or 1000. They're pillion pegs, not rider's foot pegs. That's the important bit. If you get the rider's foot pegs, they will not fit. So these are pillion pegs for a GSXR from about 2005 to about 2008. I got them from xcite Bikes, and Omar from xcite Bikes is excellent to deal with. He's been around for yonks. Sort of probably 8 years ago or something, when I bought that CBR 250R X race bike and had that for a couple of years. He supplied a lot of the parts for that, so he's been around for a while. I didn't realise he did GS500E, but I was pleasantly surprised when I found that he did, and I bought these with confidence. They're about 40 bucks delivered. They're a nice bit of machined, lathe, knurled aluminium. They will require a little bit of modification to put them on, but bottom line is that it should be pretty easy. Should be just a couple of strokes with the flappy paddle on the grinder, and we should be able to just knock off the bump that's going to prevent them from just bolting straight up on. You could do it with a file, but I'm going to do it with power tools, of course. Let's get on with it. It should be a pretty easy job, but you know, every 20-minute motorcycle job's a bolt broken away from being a 3-day epic, so we'll see how we go. But in theory, this is a pretty easy job. Got the green cushions out. Anyone who's followed my channel for a while will know that we're in for some grovelling on the ground if I've got the green cushions out. They help protect my old beat up knees. Right, it's going to be difficult to show this, but in behind here is a C-clip that just clips onto the shaft that this rotates on. Going to use some pliers and maybe a blade screwdriver to just flick that out, but it's going to be hard to see. That's it there. Just a C-clip, just sort of bolts, slots around there into a groove and holds that on. That was pretty easy to get out. There's a washer. Jesus, I've lost it already. There it is. And there's the pivot, so the C-clip just goes on there, holds it all together. Square washer, and ultimately there is the foot peg that we're going to replace. These are the pegs here, and what we're going to do is just very gently just grind that flat. This stops it from sitting flush, so it sort of want to sit at a different angle. So in theory, if we just grind that flush and flat, it should fit on more neatly. We'll give it a go. So, couple of whacks just to straighten that up because it was a little bit bowed. We've bought some new hardware. These are M6 by 30mm. And I reckon we might try and get a washer in there just to take some of the slack out of it. This is another washer on the back. Okay. 10mm socket, 10mm ring spanner. Perfect. That went like a dream. Yeah, amazing. Guys, there is the installed GSXR 650, 750 and 1000cc Pillion Footpegs on the GS500E. I am absolutely stoked with this. Just a quick grind to polish off the slight hump, to flatten the angle so that they provide a flat rest for your foot. They're comfortable, they're surprisingly high quality, they're only about 40 bucks delivered. I couldn't be more happy with this. Of course everything else looks old and crusty, but these look really cool and actually really good quality. I'm quite surprised. Because just a quick video today, but with a great outcome. Please feel welcome to like, comment, subscribe. Particularly if you're new here, click the bell icon so you get notifications of my videos. I tend to post every Saturday at 7 AM Australian Eastern Standard Time. You can support the channel through buymeacoffee.com/iRideTaz, or if you prefer, paypal.me/iRideTaz. Guys, till I see you next time, great modification. I'm out.
Uh-huh.